Good luck, everybody. We're going to get started. Get everything situated. And hopefully your Monday went well. For those that are back at work, hopefully it's going well. Nick is in the chat. Good luck, Nick. It is going well. We're ripping some more Bowman. Our first three boxes weren't the best. We did get some nice hits. You know, the lower-ended teams hit pretty well. It's obviously good when you have a $16 team that hits, you know, a couple $100 worth of cards. But we're looking to get everybody up on the board tonight. So let's see what we can do here. Good luck to everybody. Red auto or bust. We have not seen red in a while. I feel like I'm saying that every break now. The Sterling Harper red non-auto was the last time. So I put the first pack to the back because typically we're seeing the color in the first pack, but it could be different here. And hopefully you guys enjoy the new camera angle. Here we go. Joe Ryan, rookie. Pujols. Baby Acuna insert. Carson Williams and Ramos base. I know we'll probably hit something like orange, but I don't know about a red. I'm hopeful. We got Valade, Owen White insert. Vasquez and Weimer first. I think my computer just died, which sucks. So I won't know the teams off the top of my head, but we've got something here. It looks like Mike Trout, Stanton. We have a shimmer of Oscar Colas. Oscar Colas for the White Sox. Shimmer non-numbered. Duncan and Los Santos firsts. Monty, what's going on, my man? Ooh, nice. We have a numbered Invicta coming up. It's going to be out of 150. Colas first. Curtis Mead. And Yiddy Cap. Insert Shades of Greatness. For the Rays, Carlos Colmenares out of 150. The Atomic Bowman Invicta. That's sick. Nice hit there. We just started. Oscar Butts. We just started, Monty. Literally, that was our fourth pack. So that's our first hit of the box. Invicta numbered out of 150 for the Rays. Good start. A little extra color to start the break. Yeah, so they actually posted one of our supers that we had at the start of the year out of draft. And yeah, like you said, Nick, I've seen a lot of the big firsts with the autos and the non-autos be pulled. So I don't know exactly who's left, but we'll see if we can get one of them. We got a purple. Purple is our first real color. Perez, Alvarez, Paul Goldschmidt, Heliot Ramos rookie, and for the Texas Rangers, wow, very nice. Good start. How about a Luis Angel Acuna? Purple. Out of 250. That is going to be 48 of 250. For the Rangers, did Chirios? I think I did see one of his. I think it was the auto actually. Chirios. I think I did see his auto. Maybe it was the brother. Yeah, I don't think it was Jackson. It was the other one there. Jason Chirios. All right, auto number 1. So what we got? Insert. Looks to be an insert auto. There's Brian Acuna for the Twins. Hernandez. C.J. Abrams, a rookie. And then Nolan Arenado. Here we go. Insert Jordan Lawler out of 99. Shades of Greatness. On-card auto for the Diamondbacks. What a start to the break. Shades of Greatness auto. Jordan Lawler on-card. 61 of 99. Very nice. Yeah, those are pretty short printed. I love how it's on card. Bowman being on card is awesome. Especially the inserts. I think in products you see way too many times inserts have stickers on them. That's sick looking. There we go. Jordan Lawler. Alright, second mini box. 1 in 3 cases. Damn. Good stuff. Pretty sure the D-backs are a pretty cheap team in this as well for being only 3 boxes. Let's see what else we can get into. I've had a good feeling about this ever since the boxes got delayed. O'Neal Cruz, Contreras rookies, Henry Davis, Shades of Greatness, Jay Allen and Lorenzo base. Boxes got delayed post because of that. Kirby, and now a late night rip. Killian, Sal Frelick. Yeah, $10 spot for the D-backs right there. Got a refractor. Madrigal. Oh, the nice inserts. It came to the league. Colton Cowser for the O's. Volpe and Fanas for the Mets. Pink. Drew Baker. Zavala. Scherzer. Sam Bachman. And Joe Ryan, rookie. Pink. It's going to be 45 of 299. For Joe Ryan. Nice hit for the Twins. So we got color in this pack. Typically it's the next pack we get color, so maybe we get 2. 2 and 1. We got the Invicta, and that was out of 150. We will see. We have a refractor. See a nice name here. Trianos, Paulina, Juan Soto, Chris Bryant, refractor of Benny Montgomery. Benny Montgomery out of 499. For the Rockies, Balcazar. I will. He's actually one of my favorite names in this product. Balcazar is such a sick name. Benny Montgomery. All right, auto number 2. Can we see like gold or better here? Gold or better? Who said it? I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back. Was it Ruiz that said red auto or bust? Was it Ruiz that said red auto or bust? Man, I might want to make this. Wow. Red shimmer auto. Ruiz. Wow. That was red. Ruiz, my guy. All right, Ricky just joined. We'll let him have in on the fun. Wow. I said it's been a while since we hit red. Gutierrez first and Arias first. Do we go right in for it? Do we go right in for it? Do we let it linger? How are we feeling? How are we feeling? Save it. I got one for save it, one for yeah, which I think is rip. Go for it. All right, we're going for it. We're going for it. Going right in. We're going to get the... everybody loves the duck, so we're going to go for the duck here. Luis Gil and Brujan. Here we go. Let's see a first. It is a first Bowman red auto. I see a bat. Cade Marlowe for the Seattle Mariners. 1 of 5. Cade Marlowe. And you got some like extra ink. Thanks, Tops. Double auto, you got some extra ink on the back. But man, red auto. Somebody said it. A red is a red, yes sir. Beautiful looking card. Yeah, 20. He's 20th round, 606 overall. Very nice. Yeah, the ink on the back will come off. What a box to start off this break. A Lawler insert auto at a 99, and then a Marlowe red first Bowman auto. Man, it really did come true. I like those sneaky guys, Nick. I like the late draft picks that actually have good stats and people don't really know much about. Those are the kind of guys I like. All right, that one's cut. That'll go there. Let's see what other color we can get. We're gonna start with a red. Let's see what else we can get. Here we go. We're not even halfway through yet. Not even halfway through. Bohm, Bryson Stott, Cap again, Vaquero for the Nats, and Confident. I think his real name is Confident. Melendez, Yepes, Moreno, insert, Ortega, and Leonard. Altuve, Aaron Judge, Khalil Watson, it came to the league. Lawler, and Jason Dominguez. Another Invicta. This one is not numbered. Sam Bachman and Michel Urbina for the Twins. Mitchell and Harris. All right. Can we go double red, one auto, one base? Ooh, we got one of these like lava cards. There's the Jason Trio for the Guardians. And a Mejia for the Cardinals. Nick Lodolo, Alec Thomas. And our color is Wilson Contreras for the Cubs. It's going to be 142 of 199. Some more nice color for this break. Let's see if we can get the rainbow. It'll take a lot of cards, but they say it's possible. Let's see what we can do here. I cannot get into this thing of top loaders. Give me one sec. Good. We're already through what I had on the table, so Keep it up. And then we got our third auto coming up. Let's see what we can get. This seems very thin. Seems very thin. We do have a colored auto. Another color here. Garcia, Job, Jimenez, Javi Baez. That was all base. First for the White Sox, Tanner McDougal out of 299. Tanner McDougal for the White Sox. The Reds and Heritage Minors are 101s. I have not looked into that. That is definitely interesting. So what are out of 5s? Are there any numbered to 5 in minors? And do they have the black 101s in minors as well? I believe they do. But that is definitely interesting. That would throw me through a loop. Don't think there is. That is interesting for sure. Oh, because he's 17. Gallo, Betts, Wander. There we go, our first Wander. Shades of Greatness. Perez and a Harry Ford base. Yeah, that's the thing. You're young, you'll get the hype, even if you don't have the stats to back it up. Vaughn, JD Martinez, Duran, Quintana, and Valera. Yeah, the hobby is weird sometimes, that's for sure. We got a purple in the middle of the packs. Paguero, Zach Veen, Christian Pache, Josh Donaldson, and a Tovar. Rockies again. 153 of 250. Ezequiel Tovar. Rockies hitting again. All right. Let's keep her going. Yeah, color match always looks good. Hayes, Carlson, another Acuna insert, Bernabel, and Trey Sweeney. Let's see if we can get 2 colored in this one. We can, and this one's going to be a true green. Rojas first, Verdugo, Royce Lewis, Bryce Harper. For the Yankees, wow, what a nice one. How about a Jason Dominguez out of 99? 18 of 99, Jason Dominguez for the Yankees. Nice hit. Very nice, Ray. That'll probably do pretty well. Everybody loves Dominguez. Very nice, very clean. All right, let's keep it going, man. This break is really good so far. Another color. I think that's asking too much. Yep, here's the base auto. They all can't be colors. Davis, Jesus, Bobby Witt Jr., rookie, and a Wilson Contreras. For the Reds, Yerlin Confident, the guy I was talking about just a little bit earlier. Yerlin Confident. Base auto for the Reds. Nice, very nice. So we got 1 box left. It's going to be hard. It's going to be hard to show up those last 2 boxes, but we can try. He did. He signed a little too low. At least it's not in Sharpie this time. Draft had that guy signing in Sharpie. Or that was Pro Debut. Pro Debut. AJ, what's going on? Thanks for tuning in. right, down to our last box. This has been a break. Wish the names were a bit bigger, but man, this color has been insane. Pete Alonso, Matt Olson, Marcelo Mayer, Shades of Greatness insert, Benny, and Brian Acuna. AJ, you missed it. We finally pulled a red auto after all this time. Shane Baz, Mackenzie Gore. I couldn't remember the last time we pulled it. You did. It was the first card. Cole Henry, Hernandez, and Trianos. Yeah, AJ's been cheating the system. Paul Goldschmidt, Heliot Ramos, Jordan Lawler, it came to the league, Polino, and Lorenzo. AJ has been on a tear. Another Invicta. This one is not numbered. Christian Hernandez, Lonnie White Jr. for the Pirates, Jay Allen, and Sal Frelick. All right, what other color can we see? I'm feeling an orange. Come on. Atomic. Pineda, James Wood, Buxton, and Kyle Tucker. For the Reds, Jay Allen, Atomic, Shades of Greatness out of 150. 13 of 150. For the Reds, another one. Yeah, you probably are. Nice and shiny. Nice and shiny. I'm not even really paying attention. I'm kind of just going in on it. Another base auto. Come on. Don't do us like that. Pete Crow. Volpe. Joe Ryan. Pujols. And not a first. Cal Conley for the Braves. Cal Conley. Let's see, we got round 4, 126th overall in 2021. For the Braves. Final team. All right, let's see what this mini got us for in the last one. Did we save some heat? There's some heat left over. And like we always say, we appreciate you guys tuning in for sure. It is much appreciated. You guys doing everything you do to support us here. Nick, thanks for tuning in. It's always good to communicate with you every now and then. We're very busy people, so I know it isn't too easy. DeAndre. There you go. There's the guy. Leonardo Balcazar. One of the coolest names in this set. Such an awesome name. Jaron Duran. O'Neal Cruz, Shades of Greatness. And a Yiddy Cappy. This is a cool one. Bowman Ascensions. It's the first one we've ever hit. I wonder if this is a case hit. Bowman Ascensions, Yiddy Cappy. Case hit. Yeah, I thought so. I have not hit one of those. Jake Berger. Jared Kalenic. Jawan Bay, Noel, and Marcelo Mayer. Nice. Case hit and a red. We got a green shimmer. Acosta, Munoz, and we got that Lawler insert too. Marte, Matt Manning rookie. For the Brewers, Garrett Mitchell, green shimmer. 72 of 99 for the Brew Crew. There has been a lot of nice color. A lot of nice color here. Just organizing a little bit here. Wow. All right, so we got 3 packs left. Should have one more color and an auto. I don't want to have the last 3 autos be base, so we're going to try to hit a colored auto in the last one here. Pena rookie. Colson Montgomery, Shades of Greatness. Hernandez and Angelis base. All right, last color. We are going to have another green. That's 3 greens. Vasquez, Mercedes, Marcus Semien, and a Stephen Kwan. For the Braves, Ronald Acuna Jr. Man, the Braves. 81 of 99. Ronald Acuna Jr. What a nice card. Really nice. Also really clean. Very nice for the Braves. They just keep hitting. I literally have 1 sleeve from the pack I took out left. And it's perfect because we got 1 more auto. The color here has been insane. Absolutely insane. Congrats, everyone. I'm going to organize this just a little bit. Just so we can have a really nice recap here. Because it has been really, really nice. Let me just get these in order. And we will recap once we get this last one going here. I am hoping that we can see some color. Last auto magic, come on. Yes! Orange to end it. We go red shimmer and orange shimmer in the 3-box break. Wow. Wow. Red and orange shimmer in the same break. 3 boxes. Luis Rodriguez. Luciano. This is awesome. Great break. Come on, big name. Kyle Lewis. Reed Detmers. It is a first for the Dodgers. Gavin Stone. Gavin Stone for the Dodgers. 11 of 25. 5th round, 159th overall in 2020. Wow. Nice looking card for the Dodgers. Very nice. He sells well. He's a stud. He's solid. That's big. That's sick. Very nice. Congrats. If you get a pitcher, I guess this is a good one to get. Gavin Stone for the Dodgers. Guys, I don't even know how to explain this recap. We'll go color first for those that did not see all this color. Kolas Shimmer. Montgomery Refractor out of 499. Joe Ryan out of 299. Colmenares out of 150. Jay Allen out of 150. Contreras out of 199. Tovar and Acuna out of 250. Garrett Mitchell, Acuna Jr., and Jason Dominguez all out of 99. Autos. Confident base. Conley base. McDougal out of 299. Jordan Lawler insert auto out of 99. the Cade Morlow red, and the Gavin Stone out of 25. Hell of a break. This is going to be a fun one to take pictures of for sure. And I can't thank you guys enough. It's fun for us when we're breakers and we hit you guys these sick cards. So it is a pleasure on our end, and we'll definitely take some pictures and get these up posted and get these shipped out to you guys. So I will save this live. I'm sure you'll see a couple reels and a bunch of photos coming up here. So appreciate you guys, and we'll see you in the next break.